10-day containment period comes into force in Meghalaya from today. The capital city of Shillong yesterday witnessed a huge rush of people coming out in large numbers to buy essential commodities for the time period. People were seen standing in front of queues at the ATMs and liquor shops to get their stocks replenished before the restriction comes into force. Meanwhile, East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner Isa Wanda Lalu informed about the containment restrictions which have been put in place. The DC said that the administration will issue inter-district, interstate passes in emergency cases, but people have to follow all protocols, stating that all genuine cases would be issued passes.
As you know, the government of Meghalaya, through the Home Political Department, on the 28th of April, has decided that in order to safeguard our state from an uncontrollable surge in COVID-19 cases, there will be certain containment measures which will be enforced till the 10th May. Some of these containment measures apply to the whole state. Some of them apply only to these 3 areas which have seen a spike in cases, of which Shillong urban agglomeration is one of them. So as per the order which has been given to us, all political, public, social and religious gatherings are not permitted in the entire East Khasi Hills district. This applies to all the CNRD blocks, the civil subdivisions as well. What is permitted is funerals and weddings, subject to a ceiling of only 30 guests. So all applications which have come to us prior to this period as well, we have given an order that permission for all other types of gatherings has been revoked, and only weddings, which have already been applied for, subject to the ceiling of 30 persons, and funerals. Our tourist spots are all shut. Similarly, international border trade, our export points have been closed. So only those shops dealing with essentials will be permitted to open during this 10-day period, and that too strictly subject to regulation by the concerned incident commanders. Takeaway will not be permitted, in the sense that people will not be permitted to come and stand in line in front of the shop and wait for their items to be ready, but only home delivery will be permitted. Halls, salons, beauty parlors, yoga institutes, gymnasiums, cyber cafes, gaming parlors, tier counters and swimming pools shall remain closed in continuation to our previous order. The order ended today. This will continue till the 10th of May.